Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Princessfaith here. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you all have had a blessed and wonderful holiday. I know 2020 has been a tough year, and I'm just praying that this year is going to be better than last year. And even if it's not, God is good, okay? So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to take down your faux locks. Now this technique should work for bohemian faux locks, human hair faux locks, soft locks, goddess locks, any type of faux locks you can think about. I know I haven't been here in so long and I seriously don't have any explanation for that, but I'm just trying to start off this year right, and I hope that this content is helpful to you guys. Definitely give this video a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that this content is valuable and worth seeing, and give my video a subscribe. Click the subscribe button please, and click the notification bell on so you are notified whenever I upload new content. So without further ado, let's go.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you.
In this bohemian lock sample, I'm going to show you guys how to take it off. So first, you can push the lock up like I did, but mostly you are trying to find your actual braid to pull the braid out of the lock. You're going to see how I pull it out. So there I did it. It was very easy to pull out. And I know this was like a really quick example, but I'm going to have another example to show. But just to start the video off, I'm showing you this for now. And then what I'm going to do is grab my scissors and cut off the faux lock. Okay. Once you cut off the lock, you should be able to unravel your braids. Kind of like what you're about to see me do right here. You should be able to twist it to the left side. I usually wrap to the right. So whenever you're unraveling the locks, you want to twist it to the opposite side, which would be the left for me. Here's another sample of a faux lock that I did on my mannequin. This one is a soft lock, and this is just a video of what that looks like on an actual person, just so you get a feel of it. Here are some photos of other faux locks I've done. But back to the tutorial, what you're gonna actually do is try to find your braid inside the lock. That is the main takeaway from this tutorial. You wanna try to find your braid in the lock. If twisting to the left does not work for you, try twisting it to the right. Either way, you want to try to find the braid in the middle. And I like to push the lock up first. Like I said, I like to twist to the left. That works for me. And I try to find the braid. Sometimes it's harder to find the braid, so you want to take either a rat tail comb or like a comb like I'm using now, and kind of like use the tips to pull your braid out. I'm gonna try to zoom this in a little bit for you guys so you guys can see it. This is much better. So see how I am pulling the braid out slowly. You don't want to be super aggressive with it. See, I found the braid right there. So once you find the braid, just pull it all the way out, and that's it really. What I'm doing for this actual lock is I'm not gonna cut it. What I'm gonna do is try to go towards the top of the lock and pull the braid out closer to the root so I can save the lock. That's for those that want to save their locks for whatever reason. You can do that if you like to reuse your locks. I haven't had any clients reuse theirs in my experience, but just in case, this is what you can do. So keep twisting it to the left at the top, and you're going to do the same method in trying to find your braid in the middle and pulling it out of the lock. As you're twisting, you're also trying to find your braid. So you need to have your hand on the braid, one hand trying to find the braid, one hand on the lock. I'm also gonna leave this on regular speed so you guys get a grip of this and you can understand how I'm pulling the braid out of the lock. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and just take the braids out. I totally forgot to mention this because this is a mannequin, but if you're doing this on your actual hair, you want to make sure you have a spray bottle that has warm water with either conditioner or any type of oil. I recommend coconut oil or olive oil, whatever kind. Put it in a spray bottle, mix it together, and spray that at the roots of your braids before you unravel them. And you want to also spray this mixture in any part of your hair that has buildup in it, so that as you are taking out the hair, you can detangle from the ends of your hair to the roots of your hair. That's what I meant to say, but yeah, keep watching. See, these are not just all braids. I usually start off with braids and end it with twists. So I don't know who your stylist might be. They might do the same method, they might not. But just keep that in mind. It might be twists, it might be braids, but just take that out. And when you take it out, you should be able to pull your hair from the roots of the lock. So you're going to see me do that just in a second. You want to be careful how you're pulling it out so you're not like pulling your actual hair, but I've been able to successfully take out the lock, and as you can see, the lock is in perfectly good shape. As I said, this is an option. In the next part of this tutorial, I'm going to show you again me taking the lock out, but this time around I'm going to cut the lock instead of saving it, just so you know that there are two different ways of taking it out. At least if you book an appointment with me, you should be able to take it out this way and save your lock if you want to, or you can just cut it out and throw it in the trash. It's really up to you. Once again, I'm twisting it to the left, trying to find my braid in the middle of the lock. Again, if you book a hair appointment with me, you already know by now I'm wrapping it to the right, so that's why I twist it to the left. If you're booking with somebody else, you might have to try twisting it to the right or the left before you're able to find your braid. So now I found my braid. I'm just going to pull it out of the lock, as you see me doing here. And once it's pulled out, I'm going to grab my scissors, just as I did the very, very first time. And I'm going to cut the lock. And just always be careful not to cut your hair. Once you take your braids out, you should be fine. You shouldn't need to do any additional cutting once you've cut the lock. But of course, you can cut the top of the lock. But you're going to see me do that just in a second. I'm going to go ahead and twist the lock again to the left and find my braid towards the top, closer to the roots of the lock. And I'm going to pull the braid out one more time. So you're kind of doing this method twice. If you are very quick with it, you can just skip and just do the top of the lock and just remove your braids towards the top part and do that part just once. You're going to see me do that just in a second. I'm just using a comb to pull my braid out of the lock one more time. Just try to do it gently so you're not pulling your hair again. Once I pull the braid out towards the top of the lock, I will be able to unravel the braid. And this is pretty much it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this content was so helpful to y'all. Share it with your friends, your mama, your girlfriend, whoever you think can benefit from this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that this content is valuable. And definitely subscribe if you haven't already and share. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed week, day, whatever. Just be blessed. Bye. See you later.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you.